Mr. Ajit Pratap Singh, a progressive sugarcane farmer, an innovator, and inspiration for all. And like him, today there are thousands of successful farmers in the adjoining villages of Hardoi and Lakhimpur Kheri in Uttar Pradesh. For them, the launch of Meetha Sona Unnati program turned the corner. Sugarcane, one of the most prominent crops for Indian farmers. Although farmers from all parts of India are engaged in the cultivation of this crop, many of them suffer due to low per acre harvest. In order to protect the livelihood and dignity of these farmers, it is crucial to make scientific and modern methods of farming accessible to all, keeping the plight of Uttar Pradesh farmers in mind. Solidaridad, in collaboration with the International Finance Corporation, IFC, DCM Shriram Limited and Coca-Cola Foundation kick-started an initiative, Meetha Sona Unnati, in 2016 in Hardoi and Lakhimpur Kheri district.
Solidaridad believes that if produced sustainably, sugarcane is the crop of the future. It is vital income source for millions of growers in our country. Sustainable sugarcane can ensure that growers and the cutters have the right to safe working conditions and a decent income with minimized detriment to the environment.
48,000 farmers associated with Loni, Haryawa, Rupapur and Ajbapur sugar mills of DCM Shriram Limited were encouraged and helped to cultivate sugarcane based on scientific methods. Most of these farmers own small land holdings, mostly less than 2 hectares. Under the project, it was decided that to adopt sustainable farming, thereby saving water, increasing production and improving the standard of living of farmers. Post the formulation of the strategy, a team of trainers was formed. This comprised of the country's leading scientists associated with the eminent sugarcane research institutes and agriculture universities. These scientists innovated new techniques and themselves went to the fields to train the farmers for optimal results. During the course of the training, these scientists continuously discussed with the farmers on topics ranging from field preparation to selection of best sugarcane seeds, their treatment, methods of sowing, insect and weed control. Sugar mill staff regularly toured the houses and fields of farmers to ensure proper implementation of training and adoption of methods and techniques.
समय समय पर जो है वैज्ञानिक आते हैं और हमें बताते रहते हैं, उस वजह से जो है हमें जानकारियाँ मिलती रहती हैं.
Alongside, they also began documenting the farming methods adopted by the farmers. On the basis of these documents, scientists and sugar mills regularly analyzed the changes being made by the farmers in the farming operations and rediscussed the points on which progress was not satisfactory. As a result of these, the process of adoption of farming methods based on scientific methods shot up rapidly amongst the farmers. The method of sowing by the farmers improved and the number of farmers into cropping with sugarcane also increased. These co-crops subsequently increased the income of the farmers. One of the major problems faced by the small farmers in this area was shortage of labor. The farmers, scientists and sugar mills came together to find a solution. A few young men from the village were upskilled as agro-technical service providers, ATSPs. Along with the training, they were linked with the financial institutions so that they could purchase agricultural equipment and generate some income by giving technical assistance to the farmers at the local level. Today, there are more than 70 ATSPs in the region, which opened up new income avenues for their families. Sugarcane is a year-long and water-intensive crop. Therefore, due attention was given to the efforts that would decrease the amount of water in sugarcane cultivation. For this, the farmers were advised to sow the crops by trench planting method to reap the sugarcane crop more efficiently, and other crops could be sowed along with it to save water. Even when more crops are not being put together for harvest, water could now be saved by irrigating through trenches. To make water-saving methods more practical, trial plots were set up in the mill area and farmers were tutored in farming experiments under the supervision of scientists. Consequently, along with the employees of the sugar mill, the farmers visited these plots and improved their irrigation methods based on observed methods and results. More than 270 billion liters of water was saved in during 2016 to 2018 under मीठा सोना उन्नति program.
जो एक गैप लैब टू लैंड एग्जिस्ट करता है सॉलिडारिटी की मदद से और आईएफसी की मदद से, उसको ब्रिज करने में काफ़ी मदद मिली है। इसके अतिरिक्त इन अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संस्थाओं के सहयोग से जो इंटरनेशनल बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हैं वो हमें उनकी जानकारी मिली है, जिनको कि हम धरातल पे डेवलप करने में कामयाब हुए हैं। और इसके अतिरिक्त क्योंकि जो एक्टिविटीज़ हम कर रहे हैं उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ, उसका प्रभाव क्या हुआ, उसकी इवैल्यूएशन और इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट के लिए एक रोबस्ट सिस्टम भी डेवलप हुआ है।
Conscious efforts were put in to maintain the fertility of the soil to boost sustainable farming. From the time of preparation of the field, the use of organic manure was promoted. The sugar mill prepared pressed mud as compost and provided it to the farmers. Moreover, the farmers were encouraged to thoroughly examine the soil of their fields. Regular soil testing was done in the laboratory of the mill and measures were given to the farmers to improve the soil quality. The scientists encouraged the farmers to adopt biochemicals instead of chemical fertilizers. This reduced the cost of cultivation and improved the soil. Now the farmers agree that excessive and unbalanced use of chemical fertilizers weaken the quality of their soil, and that it is sensible to rely on the use of biochemicals. During the project period, 54,217 hectares of land was brought under good sugarcane agronomy practices. Out of that, 37,741 hectares land is under use of organic manure, mulch, pressed mud, etc.
अब हम अधिकतर वर्मी कंपोस्ट का और आपके प्रेसमेड मैली का इन सब चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो उससे हमारी जो उर्वरकता तो ज़मीन की बढ़ ही रही है, साथ में रासायनिक खादों का प्रयोग बहुत कम हो गया है।
Similarly, the farmers were informed about biochemical and electrical control techniques instead of bluntly spraying chemical medicines for pest control and weed control. As a result, the fertility of soil in their field is preserved better than ever before. Under the मीठा सोना उन्नति program, 32,995 hectares of land has been brought under integrated pest management. The most significant benefits were due to the adoption of trash mulching. In sugarcane cultivation, dry leaves and other residues constitute nearly 6 to 8% of the total sugarcane weight. Earlier, farmers used to burn these dry leaves out in the open field. However, this inflicted irreplaceable burn on the upper fertile layer of soil. Trash mulching helped convert sugarcane leaves into compost, while also solving the problem of burning crop residues. By the end of 2019, not a single case of crop burning was reported from the command areas of selected 4 sugar mills of DCM Shriram Sugar under मीठा सोना उन्नति program.
जो पहले 100% गन्ने की सूखी पत्ती जलाया करते थे, अब सारी की सारी मिट्टी में मिलाते हैं, तो उससे गन्ने की खेती में पैदावार भी बढ़ती है और पानी की बचत भी होती है। जो हमारे सॉलिडारिटी के जो एक्सपर्ट्स आते हैं, जिन्होंने ये तकनीक हमारे यहाँ एक्सपेरिमेंट की और हमारे किसानों को सिखाया, वो भी बहुत धन्य के पात्र हैं।
Solidaridad, with the help of cane staff of sugar mills, reached out to women farmers as well. Special training programs were organized for women farmers on nursery growing, crop protection and occupational health and safety. Today, farmers in Hardoi and Lakhimpur Kheri districts are cultivating sugarcane on an average yield of up to 70 tons per acre. Some farmers have also succeeded in harvesting crops ranging from 110 to 125 tons. In addition to good yields, the farmers are taking steps to manage to save water, improve soil fertility and increase their income.
जब से इन लोगों से संपर्क हुआ, मीठा सोना सॉलिडेट से हमको संपर्क हुआ, तब से हमारी पैदावार लगभग 210-220 आ रही है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी है। दुगनी तिगुनी आमदनी हमको हो रही है।
The success of this project can be measured in the smiles of these farmers, who assert that it has indeed infused sweetness in their lives, just like the name, Meetha Sona Unnati.